Way to go, Lily. Do it again.
Round 2.
Get her. Get her.
Get Fumiko.
Get her, Lily. Come on, get her. Get her.
Get her, Lily.
Watch
Get
out,
her.
she's about to get you. Watch
Get
out.
her, Lily.
Oh.
Get her, Lily. Hit her. Hit her.
Get her.
Oh, what's happened last time?
All right, get her again.
My turn now.
One more round.
No, he's just still got to fight her.
Now
Take a deep breath, Lily. Stand up in the middle of the room. Middle of the room. Get in the middle of the room. She got a lot of room.
Okay, get up there.
Get her. Get her. Get her, Lily. Come on. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her.
Get closer.
Get her. Get her.
Yeah, shove her off.
Get her.
Yeah!
Whose turn is it?
Way to go, Lily. You won.
This is what Lily needs to get over her frustration.
Okay. Let's do it.
Lily, you beat Fumiko.
Look at the winner.
Lily. It's Jackson's turn now.